Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City. I am Vincent Basile, and like always, I got my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today, we arrived at another brand new skate park, the Maspeth skate park right here in Queens, New York. This is episode 48, and today we brought ASHTON HILLIKER, TRISTEN Maldonado, Sonny Brown, and Nat Whiteman. We're here because we just went to the Ocean Hill skate park. That's another brand new skate park. We thought it was open, that was closed. It looked like they had some construction fencing around it, so we just came to this one. With all of that being said, let's go inside. Guys, right off the bat, as soon as you walk in, big quarter pipe, and look at that, a wave incorporated right into the park. It's like a big wall ride. Up on the top, there's just really rad balls. What's unique about this is the coping. It has those slices in it, so when you grind, it makes that rigid sound. I know I'd probably sound weird and look weird doing it, but I'm gonna do it again. That's the coping. I don't know, it's something about it. Is it just me? I really like it. And then you got a ledge. Definitely skatable, but I can definitely see this being a chill spot right here. But it's a ledge and it's curved. There's definitely a street spot right here under this bridge. Street spot there too, guys, but like, you know, New York, where are there not spots? This is definitely unique, this ledge, into like this corner bank section. This is definitely different too. Like, you got a big ass light pole. Look at this thing. I don't know. It's different. A-frame section. A-frame, kicker to kicker. Your two rails on each side and a gap right here. And the sides are grindable and slidable. I feel like this park is slanted a little bit. This flat bar that's built right into the middle. The fun box that's got the two out ledges. Mirrored image right here. You have a bank connected to this big handrail that's connected to this Euro gap, that's connected to this down hubba, and then it's got a big 4-block and the handrail and a bank on the other side. And a quarter pipe slash takeoff zone. It's got that coping too, check it out. Up and close, man, right? Woo! Here's a wall, hit it. Bang, it's a wall ride. And this is like really funny to me. Look at this. The smallest rail you'll ever see. The smallest box. Like, it's so small. I want to get down here and talk to you guys. Look at that hump right there. It's like miniature land. It's definitely beginner friendly. You bring your kid here and boom, it's miniature here. Little miniature horseshoe bowl, the box. I feel like I entered a different land. All right, guys, that's the whole park. Let's get some clips. Let's see if we could produce. Yo, should I show them the bruise from last week? Nobody wants to see my ass. It hurts, bro. I fell on my tailbone last episode, but you know what? We outside, we here. Pain, no pain, don't matter. No, who got?
What's up, baby? The gorgeous gangster himself. Come on.
Matt Shiesty.
Justin Bieber.
Ground report. Smooth, baby, smooth. Yo, I stopped skateboarding. I fell on my tailbone again. My ass is killing me, so I apologize. Don't judge me on this episode. Shout out to the guys, man. Absolutely killing it today. Because I'm slacking, they're definitely not slacking. So shout out to the boys. And shout out to the men. Thank you for watching the Maspeth skate park right here in Queens, New York. I just want to give a big shout out to everyone sitting next to me, starting with Sonny. Yeah. ASHTON. Yeah. Big T, Tara T, Tristan.
1997,
Stop
baby.
playing, stop playing. Nice ball, Matt.
Matty Dubs, 2001.
Redo mine.
Yeah.
Hey,
If you guys like the content, please like and subscribe. Tell a friend.
we want 200,000 likes on this video, 3 million views, and 3 million comments.
Follow us on Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. And if you like all the merch, check us out at www.radboardsport.co. Check us out on the next episode. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to ride all day.
Hey, we're gonna go pee.
5 o'clock on the dot. What?
I have to pee.